Alright folks, so this helicopter is operated by East Midlands Helicopters. I caught this helicopter passing over 3 times, once in April and twice in May. So the third flyover is the closest. So yeah, I've not really seen it since. The company East Midlands Helicopters do have 3 different helicopters in their range. They do have a GrandNew registered G-RANL and a Grand registered GEMHN, and then they have a Jet Ranger as well, all in the same colours, more or less, with gold. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Beautiful shot.